Okay, so today I want to show you how to process a SAP delivery in sales and distribution in S/4HANA. We'll be going through the distribution process and speak about the various activities. Then we'll be creating a delivery in S/4HANA. We'll do the picking. We will print the delivery and then look at how you can manage outbound deliveries in S/4HANA. So the process in SD in general and in S/4HANA, you can see the main components are this pre-sales activities. You have your order processing, there's the shipping component, and then billing. If you look at pre-sales, you might have customer inquiries where you capture that in SAP. You might put a contract in place with the customer for a certain value or quantities. You can also create a quotation with reference to inquiries, or set up a scheduling agreement where you have fixed quantities and dates where the customer wants a certain product to be delivered on certain dates and times in certain quantities. So the actual order process starts usually by creating a sales order, and as you can see, you can create it with reference to a contract, a quotation, or a scheduling agreement. Then the sales order is created. The moment you have stock available, the delivery is created in SAP, where the warehouse process, the shipping process starts, and there's a few steps that you have to follow there. Firstly, you will see there's the warehouse management process where you can start your picking process. You can group deliveries into shipments. You can print a delivery note. There's various steps in the delivery process. Then when the picking is complete, you will do the goods issue, which means the stock is physically leaving your premises, and from a SAP point of view, the stock is reduced in your warehouse and it's on its way to its customer. From there, you can then create your billing document or your invoice with reference to delivery usually, and then the interface with financial accounting is in place, where you will then trigger the postings to the GL accounts on accounts receivable. So that's in general the process that is followed for S/4HANA. Okay, let's create a outbound delivery. So in this video, like I said, we'll be focusing on the delivery process itself. The app that I'm going to use is create outbound deliveries from sales order, which means you are referencing a sales order. Firstly, I want to show you the app details. If you go to the About section, you will see there's the app ID, which you will find then in the Fiori app library. If you go and search on the web, and it will give you the necessary roles that you need to implement or make this app available on your profile. So firstly, let's go in. What you have here is there's the adapt folder section. Very important is the planned creation date for your deliveries. You can put in a range. In this case, I'm just going to select for the past 12 months. Then you have your sales organization. You can select distribution channels. I'm just going to select channel 10. You can select your divisions. You can go with both divisions. And then your order type. In this case, we are looking at an OR, order type OR. Then you click on go. It will show you the list of deliveries that's available that you can then, or sales orders rather, that you can use to create your deliveries from. So let's go down. There's a specific order that I want to select. 577. There we go. We create a delivery. It shows there's a log created. Let's display the log. Right, so there's your details, the log number, user details, and there's your delivery number that was created, and the overall status is open, and there's your delivery number. You can actually click on it and view the delivery if you wish to. But for now, I'm going to go back to the main screen. Next step is to do the picking. So let's go, I go to more, and on the shipping tab, there's a specific app that I want to use, change outbound delivery. It's the old VL02N. If you go to your user section and about, you will see that transaction VL02N is listed here. So we enter our delivery number 8000539, which we just created. Now, important, so I want to take you through a few sections and fields. That's very important. Firstly, I want to go to the loading section. Important fields. When you're using warehouse management, you can assign a warehouse door that you want to distribute this product from if you have multiple doors. There's also a loading point. If you set up specific loading points, you can, in this case there's nothing set up, you can select loading point. If you go to the shipment tab, there you can select your route. If you have populated routes in your setup, the route will be displayed here, that you know this delivery is going to be on a specific route, which you then can use with your shipment creation to group your deliveries. Then statuses, also very, very useful. You've got a number of statuses. If you hover over these descriptions, there's your picking status, your packing status, goods movement, that's usually a goods issue, and so on. There's your billing status, and you will see that it's currently an A, a red A, which is not processed. If you do a partial process, it will be a B. If you completely process that step, it will be a C. Right, so but let's continue. Next step will be to do the picking. In this case, there's your product. You will be picking from this plant and the storage location. Very important. There's your quantity. So in this case, we're just entering the picking quantity of 19. If you go back to your status overview, you will see that the picking has changed to C, to a green. It's not green, but it's a C, which means completely picked. Okay. The next step will be to save. There we go. Let's go back. Let's go in. I just want to show you the status overview again. There you can see it changed to a C and the color is green. These steps are still outstanding. The A in the red blocks. So if we do the goods issue now, you just click on post goods issue. You can see that the material document was created for this delivery, but I want to go in again and just show you on the status overview, the goods issue is now changed. So the only step that's really left is to create your invoice. Okay, so let's save again. Now let's print our delivery. You go to menu, outbound delivery, issue delivery to output. There's one output type defined here, and you can do a print preview first if you want to look at your delivery note. There we go. There's your quantities, your details, your shipment details, and so on. From here you can then print a document. You click on your printer and it will print automatically.
If you are tired of slow internet speeds and frustrating online ads ruining your online experience, then I have the solution for you. Stereo VPN. With Stereo VPN, you get a one-time payment solution with no hidden fees and unlimited free access to the premium edition. No ads, no interruptions, just pure, seamless browsing and streaming. This cutting-edge technology will supercharge your internet connection speed so you can get things done faster and enjoy buffer-free streaming. Stereo VPN follows a strict no-log policy, ensuring your digital footprint stays yours and yours alone. With the one-click global connection feature, you can effortlessly connect to servers around the world. No more sudden VPN connection switch-offs. Stereo VPN Premium Edition has a kill switch function that activates during such emergencies. The tunnel is instantly closed, ensuring that all of the user's data will remain encrypted until the VPN connection is recovered. Say goodbye to monthly subscriptions and hello to uninterrupted online freedom. Visit the link specified below to get Stereo VPN today.
So lastly, I want to show you how to manage your outbound deliveries. It's this app. I just want to show you the app details. If you want to use it, there's the app ID that you can search for in the app library. That's online available to implement it, to make it available for yourself. Again, there's a number of fields available in the filter bar. Important, you can filter on the statuses that I just showed you in the delivery itself. If you want to look at a delivery that's ready for picking, you select that one. Ready for goods issue, the picking is complete, goods issue is done, all open, or all deliveries. In this case, I'm just going to say ready for picking. You can also adapt the filter and add specific fields. If you want to plan it by route, you can add route, and route is available here. But for now, I'm just going to say go. And again, here you can see your delivery details are shown here. And you can pick directly by clicking on this option here, and you can go through the picking process. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.